Alright everybody, welcome back. I have another review for you here. It's a chainsaw this time. It's a good size one too. 58, I think it's 58cc. And this is from a company named, I hope I pronounce it right, Coocheer? I hope that's correct. I have not heard of them, but they sent me this to review and to use. And it's got me curious. It looks pretty good quality so far, and I'm just going to show everything that comes in a box. It comes in a kind of a nondescript box. That is the box it comes in, and let's just go over these things. There's the big main unit, and then this is a mixing bottle where you can mix your 2-cycle, and then it comes with a whole tool kit, which is pretty good actually. This is your spike that you have to attach for holding the branches still as it's cutting them. 2 Allen wrenches. That right there is a chainsaw file, round file for sharpening it up. Flat screwdriver, spare spark plug. Now the main socket is to loosen and adjust the chain. On chainsaws you have to adjust that constantly. And it even comes with spare cord for the pull handle, but you know that doesn't happen very often at all. And then there's 2 screws, I believe, are for mounting the spike, but we'll find out. And then also the instruction booklet, and there is the bar. I've forgotten the size on it. I think it's 18-inch, but if it's larger, I'm sure I have it up on the screen. And then it comes with 2 chains, so you have a spare chain, which is awesome. And then right there is a carrying case, specific carrying case that looks like it would have a chainsaw in it. Anyway, let me put it together real quick, and then we'll try to start it up. Alrighty, so I had to move to the backyard because if you can hear, somebody pulled up and started running a generator right next to me. So I had to move to the backyard so you could hear me. The irony being that I'm about to make a lot more noise than they're making as soon as I start this up. And I just wanted to show the basics of how it went together. It's got 2 mounting screws. I've got a close-up. There we go. 2 mounting nuts instead of 1. A lot of chainsaws only have 1, and what happens is they come loose much more often when they only have 1. And so a nice solid 2-bolt plate guard. Now over here, right in there, that little screw, that's your adjuster to make the chain tight. Not really tight, but you know, just snug. And that was adjusted all the way forward. That is one tip. If you're putting this together for the first time, you're going to have to collapse that all the way the other direction to get it to go into the hole on the bar, and then the whole thing will go together well. And then you adjust it clockwise to make the bar, the chain snug on the bar, and then tighten it down on the bolts, and you're good. Other than that, I put in the, I don't know if you can see it, maybe on this side, I put that spike on there. And, oh yeah, just a special note there, on the direction of the teeth, you see there, they have to be angled forward on the top, because you want it to draw towards you on the bottom. And I've seen so many people put them on backwards, and they'll they'll actually be using it that way. It's just very slow. But yeah, teeth forward on the top, and you'll be good. Anyway, right about now, I think we will gas it up and start it up. It is a good, solid feeling chainsaw. It's got good weight to it. Feels solid. So let's gas it up and start it up for the first time, and drowned out that generator that they started next to me. Okay, so started right up. It definitely feels like it's got a lot of torque. It's a handful. It's got a lot of weight to it. It feels, you know, for that type of thing, you want it to be kind of heavy like that. If you're going to be cutting straight down into a log, it's good to let the weight of the chainsaw guide, you know, how fast you go through. And so that's awesome. So it feels like it's really going to do the job. Now I just got to find various things to saw through. And so basically it's time to go play. So let's go see what we can find. Okay, so I have found a nice little area here that's got some dead branches lying around, and we've actually got a dead tree trunk here. And the rest of the tree is here on the ground, but that is about a 10-inch base of a pine tree. And so we'll cut that to pieces, and we'll cut these to pieces, and who knows what else we'll cut. So let's just get to the chainsawing and get some footage. Guys, I know you're wondering what I'm doing. I'm just playing. I'm just having fun. It is a strong chainsaw. Of course, it's super sharp because it's brand new. And so you can do stuff like this. So I'm just playing. I'll find one or two more things, and then we'll call it a day. Okay, and that will wrap it up. Just had to play a little bit longer. That long straight cut there. You can see here it cut it very well. Very straight, very precise. And yes, I am leaving this half of a stump sitting here in the woods for all you guys that's gonna bother. Knowing somewhere in the woods there's half a stump that I never finished. Anyway, back to the saw. It is a wonderful saw. Very, very, very strong and very solid. And there's probably a link to it in the description if you want to go check one out for yourself. Coocheer. 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 I will find out how to pronounce that, and that'll do it. Appreciate y'all watching, and y'all have a good day.